Hey guys, so welcome to my kitchen. So today we are cooking Palava sauce and eggplant. So this is the Palava sauce. I got all of my stuff from the African store. And before you cook your Palava sauce, you have to steep all of your, ingredients, all of your meat. Yes, this is my meat, my fish, my crab, everything I'm putting in the flour sauce and the eggplant. So yeah, I'm going now to steam the palava sauce and my meat and fish, crayfish, everything is now, on the stove. This is me peeling my eggplant, trying to cook the palava sauce. I'm now sharing all of the meat because this meat is for two soup. So I'm cooking the palava sauce first, putting some of the sauce in the platter sauce, and yeah, it's on the fire boiling. You add some kitty or you call it beta ball for my Liberian people. Yep, this is what I did for my home. This is one of my best soup that I love. And I have this pepper sauce that I made. It's very spicy. So I usually cook it, put a few spoons in my soup whenever I'm cooking, whatever soup for that day. And yeah, the flour sauce is almost done. So now let's get to the eggplant. I had to slice it. After slicing it, put the oil in the pot. You have to allow the oil gets hot. The eggplant was somehow so plenty, so I had to take my time and try to fry it so that I can get the best out of it. Yeah, so you cook your eggplant with fresh tomato or tomato paste, and don't forget your onions. Yes, I also did this with an onion. This is me frying the eggplant. As you can see, it's too much for the pot, but yeah, just wait and see how it came out. So the flour sauce, hubby wanted his soup without oil, and for me, I wanted my soup with oil. So this is my soup with oil, and this is hubby's soup without oil. He's someone who doesn't like too much oil. So yep, this is the fresh pepper and the onion that I blended, and this is the tomato paste. I use like 3 tomato paste cups. Yeah, 3 cups of tomato paste. That's what I use for this soup. And yeah, my son was crying, so I had to, take him along. You can be a mom in the kitchen, you can be a mom anywhere. So you have to, just look after the kids. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. So yeah, this is the meat for the eggplant soup. About to put it in after the eggplant has fried very well before you can put your meat in. Yeah, I had to lower the heat of the stove, and then put some pepper that I made. Yeah, this is the fufu for the flour sauce. I love fufu. Whenever I'm eating flour sauce, I love to eat it with fufu. And this is hubby's soup without oil. I had to take out some soup for work. This is the eggplant soup. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.